Please like, subscribe, and share. Make sure to press the bell button for notification of new videos. Thank you. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Stay tuned for the video. Hello, this is all you need for my very simple fall arrangement. Stay tuned for assembly. Now for the assembly part of the video, I'll put the leaves in the background. I want to make the leaves pop, so I have to have something in front. So I put my berries in front. And then I'll put flowers in front of that. Upcoming videos, I will be discussing how to recover if you cut it too short and how to cut them. The next video I will be discussing the vases and bases. Thank you.